The LG B20 USA here, and today I'm doing a video about iOS 13. So Apple announced iOS 13 at the WWDC conference on Monday. So iOS 13 is now here. It will be available this fall, and I think that y'all guys can do the preview version right now. If you guys sign up for the iOS 13 beta, I think y'all guys can try it now. Yeah, so iOS 13 has a lot of cool features coming its way. My favorite feature is the dark mode for iOS. That is a long time coming for iOS. So finally, dark mode is here on iOS 13. And so if you guys want to know if your iOS device gets iOS 13, this video will help you guys out. So if you guys go to Apple's website, you guys will says here will say iOS 13 is compatible with these devices. These are iPhones here. So you guys obviously have the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone SE, and then the new iPod Touch 7th generation will all be receiving iOS 13 when it is available this fall. So that is a win, and also the new iPhones will have iOS 13 pre-installed when they are released this fall. So if you guys have any of these iOS devices, you guys will get iOS 13. If you guys have an iPad, you guys will be getting the new iPad OS update whenever that is available this fall as well. So yeah, if you guys have any of these iOS devices I named, you guys will get iOS 13, and yeah, I do like what I see from iOS 13 so far, especially dark mode. That's my favorite feature from iOS 13. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you let me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.